Look at the camera. Remember where it is. It's on top of the computer. Hey everybody, it's Olivia and we've been playing with our box from Made by Mommy, trying to figure out what we're going to make. Yeah, I made a fairy doll.
And it came with a baby.
Yeah, the baby we hadn't figured out yet.
Hey, put it down a bit so they can see this.
And Olivia's been doing some creating.
Yeah, I made a table and I made a baby place thing so the baby can play. And
so I think we're leaning on fairies.
Oh.
Because we have
We're making a fairy house with a fair background. And
we have lots of sticks so we can
mom
build fairy houses.
flying around with her fairy outfit.
Fairies.
Fairy. Hey, you can also
Oh yeah, I started making another fairy.
Can I hold
which
it?
is cool.
Can I hold it?
No, I'm working on it.
Can I just hold it?
So,
Mommy, you gotta come in.
we'll keep working on our fairy village.